If you run a collision center or auto repair shop in Ontario, I want to ask you something. How many calls did your shop miss this week? Because a bay was full, a tech was mid-job, or the front desk was slammed. You'll probably never know the real number, but every one of those calls was a car that could have been on your schedule. It's not just missed calls. It's estimates that go out and just sit there because follow-up depends on someone remembering to do it. It's customers calling 3 times a day asking, "Is my car ready yet?" Because they were never told what happens next. It's no-shows eating into a schedule you already don't have enough of. And it's past customers, people who already trust you, who just quietly stop coming back because nobody ever reached out again. None of this is your team being bad at their job. It's that nobody in the shop has time to also be the follow-up department. Here's what that actually costs you. Every missed call is a job that goes to the next shop on Google. Every cold estimate is revenue you already did the hard part for, quoting the job, and then lost anyway. Every no-show is a bay sitting empty that you paid rent and payroll for, and every past customer who disappears is money you already spent once to acquire, walking out the door for good. Skilled labor is hard enough to find. You can't afford to waste it chasing admin that a system should be handling. This is what the Automotive Growth System fixes. When someone calls and you can't pick up, they get an instant text back, so you never lose the inquiry just because you were busy. Every estimate gets automatic, non-pushy follow-up, so decisions don't stall out from silence. Your customers get proactive status updates by text, so they stop calling you for updates you can send automatically. Appointments get confirmed and reminded automatically, so your schedule actually holds. And once a job's done, the system asks for a review and quietly stays in touch with that customer, so they come back for the next service instead of disappearing. It all runs in one pipeline, so you can see exactly where every inquiry, estimate, and repair stands without digging through texts, calls, and sticky notes. This doesn't replace your shop management software or your team. It just makes sure nothing falls through the cracks around the work you're already doing. We built this specifically for Ontario collision centers and repair shops, not a generic marketing package. No exaggerated promises. Just a practical system built around where shops like yours actually leak revenue. If you want to see exactly where your shop is losing opportunities, we do a free automotive revenue leak audit. You'll get 3 prioritized recommendations, your biggest revenue leak, and a clear first workflow to fix it. No generic pitch, no obligation. Click below and get your free audit. I look forward to helping you grow your shop.